In with us after the game, I'm Patrick Nolan. The fight for better housing conditions for some Southwest Florida families now shifting to Washington, D.C. The mayor of Fort Myers going to D.C. after a Four in Your Corner investigation put the spotlight on filthy and sometimes dangerous conditions in these complexes. Four in Your Corner's Adam Pinsker working to get families' concerns addressed.
The mold, signs of rodents, leaky ceilings, and other problems with the Jones Walker apartment complex in Fort Myers likely won't be going away anytime soon. But Fort Myers Mayor Randy Henderson is determined to change things.
The primary objective is the health and welfare and safety and the dignity of our citizens who reside in Jones Walker.
Fresh off a trip to Washington, D.C., the mayor says he met with both of Florida's senators and Southwest Florida Congressman Francis Rooney to find out exactly what HUD can do to help the low-income residents who have been dealing with these conditions. The mayor says it's too early to say if residents can use housing vouchers elsewhere while the improvements are being made. He chalks it up to the paperwork that goes along with federally subsidized housing.
It requires some administrative, procedural methods to make sure that HUD remains lawful in their process. So it's not something that just happens overnight.
Four in Your Corner checked with Senator Marco Rubio's office, which said in a statement, quote, the senator is exploring ways to ensure there is a thorough investigation into the owners of the properties. He and his staff continue to work closely with HUD to secure safe and sanitary housing for all Florida tenants of HUD properties. Mayor Henderson blames the problems with these housing projects on delays in getting contractors on site to fix them and damage caused by Hurricane Irma, but he's not letting the owners of Jones Walker off the hook. After all, they get federal tax dollars with the expectation to keep the conditions decent, and he wants them to know that's clearly not happening.
It's been too little, too late. I'm not happy about that. The council's not happy about that. So, no, I think we now have their attention.
Adam Pinsker, Fox 4 in Your Corner.
Mayor Henderson says the owners of Jones Walker are being fined each and every day for code violations if they're not fixed, and those fines, he says, are adding up.